We're gonna be switching gears from our coffee-based cocktails to something that's considered to be a sour type cocktail. Now, sours are very interesting because you can play around with the spirit, you can play around with the citrus, you can play around with different flavor profiles, mouthfeels, and create a really, really interesting final product. Now, sours, the meaning behind them is any cocktail that uses citrus as the base. Now, where it can be really interesting is your use of citrus. Traditionally, you would do lemon or lime as your citrus, but you can also do orange juice. You can do what we like to use, yuzu juice, which is kind of a mix between a lemon and lime. It's not as tart, it's a little bit more balanced. We like using yuzu just because it allows a little bit more balance in the cocktail, and it allows some of the other flavors that you use to really shine without it being overly tart. Now, the name sour doesn't necessarily mean that the drink is gonna taste sour. The goal should always be to have a really nice balanced cocktail, but the name really just means that we're gonna be using some type of citrus. Some good stuff.